Summary Chapter 1 Quaid-e-Azam on 11th August 1947. Quaid-e-Azam addressed the inaugural session of the First Constituent Assembly of Pakistan on August 11, 1947. This historic speech of Quaid-e-Azam reminded the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, the last prophet of Allah, that all human beings are equal in the eyes of Allah. In his speech, he thanked everyone for bestowing the honor. He said that the Constituent Assembly has two important functions. The first function is to frame the Constitution for Pakistan, and the second function is to act as an independent legislative body. He said that as a legislative body, they had powers that imposed a heavy responsibility on them. He further said that the primary responsibility of the government was to maintain law and order and protect the life and property of the people. Pointing to bribery and corruption, he said it had to be crushed severely. He urged the assembly to take steps to end black marketing, which hollows out the food supply system and causes hunger and poverty. He condemned nepotism and misuse of power and called for strict measures against it. He said he would not tolerate those evils. He said that to make Pakistan prosperous, we had to eliminate all our prejudices, forget all differences, and focus on the welfare of the people. He said that people were free to go to their temples, mosques, and other places of worship. The state had nothing to do with their religious beliefs. We were starting from the days when there was no discrimination and distinction. All were equal citizens of this country. He said that he would follow the principles of justice and complete impartiality and would make Pakistan a great nation with their cooperation.